If your idea of creepy is limited to ghost stories, wait till you hear about mind-controlled ants. Meet Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, the fungus that hijacks ant brains. This sinister spore invades ants, taking control of their tiny minds. Once infected, the ant is forced to leave its colony and climb to a plant's perfect height. Why? So it can bite down on a leaf or twig in a death grip. Spooky, right? But it gets creepier. The ant dies, and the fungus grows out of its body, releasing more spores to infect other ants. It's like a chain reaction of zombie ants, nature's creepiest fungus. Absolutely, but hey, while it's terrifying for ants, it's a fascinating piece of nature's puzzle for us science enthusiasts. Stay curious, folks, and maybe, just maybe, be glad we're not ants.